Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to fix error code BLZBNTBGS00000002 when play the game on battle.net. So, the first thing we can do is try change regions. After that, if the error code still appears, then check battle.net and Blizzard server status. Click the link in description, then see if there are any messages about server problems. Right now, Blizzard Entertainment announced that they are currently experiencing a DDoS attack, which may result in high latency and disconnections for some players. They are actively working to mitigate this issue. In the absence of any server problems, then check the internet connection. You can refer to the methods in the video I did before. Just go to the video linked in the description. That's it guys, hope this is helpful.